Hello guys! Welcome to 90 Plus, India's first animated live tuition. Welcome to chemistry class. Hi, good evening, ma'am. Do we have the comments?
Yes.
Yes. Comments are വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അടിപൊളി. So, how was the day, guys? How are you? How was your day? Already ചോദിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. My day was okay. It was fine. Okay, what about yours? എല്ലാരും എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു കമന്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കട്ടെ. Good evening. I can see a lot of new faces as well. Yes, നമുക്കൊക്കെ പരിചയപ്പെടാം. Don't worry. Yes. എല്ലാവരും ഗുഡ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുഡ് ആയിരുന്നോ? ഈ ഡേ ബാഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എത്ര ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്? Let me see the comment box. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുഡ് ഡേ ആയിരുന്നു. Okay? Nice. So happy to hear that. അടിപൊളി. കുറച്ച് പേര് ജസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻ എന്നൊക്കെ കമന്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളപ്പോ ഫൈനലി we are done with marathon session and we are back with our regular classes അല്ലേ? ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ 4 സ്ട്രക്ചർ ഓഫ് ദി ആറ്റം? മറന്നു പോയോ നിങ്ങള്? Gone with the wind. Okay. Not good but not bad. Okay, nice. Oh, bad എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആരാ കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Who is that, ma'am? Hanna, what happened? Hanna commented. What happened? In the exam valladu undairunno? Okay.
PT3 is finally over.
PT3 is finally over, right? Oh, nice. Okay. So we were discussing chapter number 4, structure of the atom. Alle, namukku cheriya part kude undu. Edayirunnu? About mass number, atomic number, isotopes, isobars. Okay, a ചെറിയൊരു portion കൂടെ we have to complete. അത് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് complete ചെയ്യും. And at last you will have what? Chapter test. But don't worry, 10 questions each carrying 2 marks. വളരെ easy, simple questions ആണ്. I'm sure you all can score 20 on 20. Okay? English final exam and I was not able to complete it. Oh, time management is important. Okay, don't worry. കഴിഞ്ഞതൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു. അതിനെപ്പറ്റി നമ്മൾ ആലോചിച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു കാര്യമില്ല. But we have exams to come. Don't worry. So stay positive. Okay? All right. So before starting the class, നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെ portions ആണ് complete ചെയ്യണ്ടേ നോക്കണ്ടേ? Yes. Today we'll study about atomic number. Okay? Mass number, and last topic is isotopes and isobars. So e portions of complete we are done with this chapter. Okay? Yes. So before going into the chapter, all new students, can you please raise your hands? New students are going to hand raise today. Ma'am, how many hand raises do we have? Oh my god, lot of hand raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new students. Okay. All right. Your first chemistry class, I guess, right? Okay. Nice. So guys, welcome to 90 Plus family. My name is Mahima and I will be your chemistry teacher. Okay, appo namukku rendu moonu pere namakku interact cheyidallo, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Are unmuting them first.
ആദ്യം നമുക്ക്
കുറെ ഹാൻഡ് റൈസസ് ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തും.
വിളിക്കാം.
ദൃശ്യ. Hi Drishya.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine ma'am.
You're fine. Okay. So is it raining there? Drishya എവിടുന്നാ വരുന്നേ? Trivandrum. ട്രിവാൻഡ്രത്ത് ഇപ്പൊ മഴയുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ. ഓൾറൈറ്റ്. ദൃശ്യക്ക് കെമിസ്ട്രി ഇഷ്ടാണോ? കുഴപ്പമില്ല അല്ലേ? ഓൾറൈറ്റ്, ഫൈൻ. സോ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് വരുന്നവരെ ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് തന്നെ വെൽക്കം ചെയ്യാം. സോ ദൃശ്യ, I have a question for you. Okay, this is the question and it is a riddle. Guys, you all can answer it. Okay, the comment box is open. Which fish is made of only 2 sodium atoms? Guess it, Uncle. Or a fish. It's a name of a fish and that fish is made of only 2 sodium atoms. Guess the name of the fish?
We have the answer.
Oh, who is that? Who is that? The first chat box. Yes, I think it's Hanna. Is it Hanna? No. Nivedita. Nivedita, right? Yes, Nivedita, correct answer. Drishya boyo. Drishya?
നിവേദിക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ ചാപ്റ്റർ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല എക്സാം ആയിട്ട് കൊണ്ട്
കഴിഞ്ഞ class. Oh.
പ്രീവിയസ്
chapter, atoms and molecules. We are not revision. Don't worry. നമുക്ക് revision ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. So don't worry. Okay.
Anamika is like salmon.
Salmon alla. It's not salmon. Yes, Drishya. Answer കിട്ടിയോ?
Yes, ma'am.
You got the answer. Really? What's the answer?
Ma'am, I കിട്ടിയില്ല.
കിട്ടിയില്ലാന്നാണോ പറഞ്ഞത്? Sorry, ഞാൻ കിട്ടിയെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്. Don't worry. It's just a riddle question. That's okay. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ആളെ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടാലോ മാം? അടുത്ത ആളോട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ആൻസറും ചോദിക്കാം.
നമുക്ക് ആര്യനോട് ചോദിക്കാം.
Yes, Aryan. Hi, Aryan. Hello. Yes, good evening, Aryan. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. And you're from?
I'm from Kozhikode.
Kozhikode. Okay, nice. So, Aryan, do you like chemistry? Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, it's okay, right?
yeah.
Fine.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അപ്പൊ ആരും പറ, which is the fish that is only made of 2 sodium atoms?
അറിയില്ല.
I'll give you a clue. Drishya, you can also try, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, is this chapter taken in your school? Aryan?
No, ma'am. നമുക്ക് കെമിസ്ട്രി ആണ്. കെമിസ്ട്രി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആറ്റംസ് ആൻഡ് മോളിക്യൂൾസ് ഇല്ലേ, ആ ചാപ്റ്റർ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആറ്റംസിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് അധികം
എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. Oh, okay. So you might not be able to answer this question. But do you know how you represent sodium? Sodium atom എങ്ങനെ represent ചെയ്യും? Very good. It is Na. That is your clue. Guys. That is the clue. Now think. Na is the chemical symbol of sodium. And this fish is made of only 2 sodium atoms. Yes! Comment box will correct answers vannu. Okay. Yes. Aryan, it's okay. Keep thinking. Okay. Let's unmute the next one. Yes.
നമുക്ക് ശ്രീനിധിനോട് ചോദിക്കാം.
Srinidhi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening. Srinidhi new student allalo. അങ്ങനെ ഞാനും വിചാരിച്ചു ശ്രീനിധി എങ്ങനെ ന്യൂ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ആയി. യു വാണ്ട് ആൻസർ? ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ശ്രീനിധി ആൻസർ പറഞ്ഞു. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദി ആൻസർ? 2Na. ഫിഷിന്റെ നെയിം പറ. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദി നെയിം ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് ഫിഷ്? ഞാൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഫിഷ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് എ നെയിം ഓഫ് എ ഫിഷ്. ആ ഫിഷിന്റെ നെയിം എങ്ങനെയാ? It's saying that this fish is only made of 2 sodium atoms. So what will be the name of the fish? It's actually an original name. What is it?
Tuna.
അത് തന്നെ. It's tuna. Okay, it's tuna. Yes, very good, Srinidhi. Very good. Comment box il ഒരുപാട് correct answers ഉണ്ട്. Very good. Okay, yes, perfect. Now I think we have one more new student. Right? Ma'am?
Hamlin.
Who is it?
Hamlin.
Hamlin. Oh, nice. Yes, nice name. Hi, Hamlin.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so is this your first chemistry class or your first class in 90 plus?
First chemistry class.
First chemistry class. All right, perfect. So, Hamlin, where are you from? Edapalli. Oh, okay, all right. So, welcome to 90 plus family and welcome to my class. Okay. Yes, perfect. Yes, all right. Now, next one, ma'am.
Next one is we have Lakshmi.
Yes, hi, Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, Lakshmi?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. And where are you from?
Calicut.
Calicut. Okay, yes. Aryan is also from Calicut and we have now Lakshmi. So, all right, welcome to our class, okay? Okay, yes. Now, the next one?
Jerome.
Jerome.
Yes.
Hi, Jeron. Jeron.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Hi, Jeron. Yes, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
You're fine. Okay, all right. And you're from? Pathanamthitta. Okay, nice. Very good. Jeron already answered either. Oh, who is that, ma'am? Srijit?
Yes.
Srijit പറയുന്നത് ma'am, Jerome അല്ല, it is Jeron. Jeron. Okay, all right. Yes. So, welcome to my chemistry class, Jeron. നമുക്ക് വഴിയെ എല്ലാവരും interact ചെയ്ത് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. Okay? Yes. So, Jeron's chemistry ഇഷ്ടമാണോ, Jeron?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. All right, yes. So, without wasting any time, we can start our class. Question, I have one more question. Okay.
Before that, Nivedita can get the links, right? Of the
Yes,
classes?
yes. Nivedita, don't worry. You can get the recorded classes, okay? Just ask your class teacher. I mean, in 90 plus, you have a class teacher, right? Yes, just ask her for the links of the previous sessions and she will send you the link. Don't worry.
Of course, you have to.
Yes, of course, you can stay. Come on. Don't leave. Stay. All right. Yes. Now, I have...
ഇപ്പൊ എവിടെയാ സ്ഥലം?
ഇപ്പൊ എവിടെയാ സ്ഥലം? That's a secret, guys. Okay, all right. Yes. So two men. There were two men. They walk into a bar and one man orders H2O. Okay. And the second one was like, ma'am, not ma'am. Second one was like, I'll have H2O too. Okay. But the second man dies. What will be the reason? രണ്ട് പേര് ബാറിൽ ചെന്നു. Okay. Okay.
We already knew the answer.
Oh, യൂട്യൂബിൽ കുറെ കമന്റ്സ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹായ് ഒക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹായ്. Yes. All right. Yes. So, യൂട്യൂബിലെ people, you can also answer this question. Second man. First ആൾ എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു? H2O മതി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. Second ആളും I'll also have H2O too എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. But the second man died. Do you know the reason? It was a simple question. എല്ലാവരും ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Very good. And we have a hand raise. അത് നമ്മുടെ കാലിക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഹാംലിൻ. Yes. അല്ല, ഹാംലിൻ is from എടപ്പള്ളി, I guess. എടപ്പള്ളി തരുന്നില്ലേ? Yes. So tell me, Hamlin, what is the reason?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Very good. Yes. H2O2. അയാൾ എന്ത് വിചാരിച്ചു? H2O2 ആണ് ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തത്, which is hydrogen peroxide. And if you consume hydrogen peroxide, you can die, right? Yes, very good. So എല്ലാവരും ആൻസർ.
പക്ഷെ എനിക്കൊരു ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ട്.
പറയൂ.
ആരാണ് ബാറിൽ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ പെറോക്സൈഡ് സെർവ് ചെയ്യുക?
ഹൈഡ്രജൻ പെറോക്സൈഡിന് വേറെയും കുറെ യൂസസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ മാം.
എന്നാലും ബാറിലൊക്കെ ആരാ കൊടുക്കുക കുടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട്?
കഥയിൽ ചോദിക്കില്ലേ, നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ചോദ്യത്തിലേക്ക് പോവാം. Yes, അതെങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും അങ്ങനെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക അല്ലേ? Stupid bartender, guys, what can we do? Yes. So, yes. യൂട്യൂബിലൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് ആൻസേഴ്സ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. Nice, very good. And let's continue with our classes. Yes. So before getting into atomic number, let's do a quick revision. What is valence electrons? എന്താണ് valence electrons എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ? You studied Bohr's atomic model, അല്ലേ? Bohr's atomic model, in the center we had a nucleus and we have shells outside of it, right? Just like this. നടുക്ക് എന്താണ്? You have a nucleus, right? And outside the nucleus you can find different shells. Okay, ഈ ഷെൽസിലാണ് ആരിരിക്കുന്നത്? The electrons. Okay, yes, electrons are residing or they are revolving in this what? In this orbits or in these shells. ഇനി electrons occupy ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏറ്റവും outermost shell. Okay, the outermost shell occupied by an electron is called the valence shell. Okay, miss എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? ഒരു ആറ്റത്തിനുള്ളിലുള്ള electrons occupy ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള outermost shell is the valence shell. അപ്പോ ആ valence shellൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയും? It is called the valence electrons. Clear ആയോ? Yes. Simple. Now look at the definition of valence electrons. It is the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. Adana valence electron. These are all quick revision. Okay? Yes. ഇനി നമ്മൾ വേറൊരു ടേം കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു in the previous class, that was valency. Okay, what was valency again? എന്താ valency എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it is the number of electrons gained, lost or shared by an atom of an element. അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ valency എന്ന് പറയാ. Why do atoms take part in what reaction? ഒരു atom ഇതിനൊരു reactionൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്നത്? It is to attain stability. Okay, it is to attain stability. Now, if we have seen the periodic table, in the periodic table there are total 18 groups. That means 18 vertical columns. Okay, adile 18th column. Okay, the 18th column is called the noble gases. Okay, our noble gases are why? Because എല്ലാ noble gas-നെ എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയാലും in their outermost shell you can find 8 electrons. Okay, you can find 8 electrons. There is one exception, that is helium. Helium has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Alright? Yes. Appo ഈ noble gas ഒക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ they are all highly stable. അവര് ഒരു റിയാക്ഷനും പോവില്ല, they are all stable. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നറിയോ? They all try to become like the noble gas. They will be like, എനിക്കും എൻ്റെ outermost shell 8 electrons മതി. Okay, അപ്പൊ ആ 8 electrons ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് they will either gain electrons or they will lose some electrons or they can even share electrons so that the number of electrons in their valence shell become 8. അവർക്ക് noble gasനെ പോലെ ആവണം. Okay, yes. അങ്ങനെ നോബൽ ഗ്യാസിന്റെ കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ പോലെ ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അവർ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിന്റെ നമ്പറിനെയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? വാലൻസി. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? ഈ വാലൻസി എന്നുള്ള ടോപ്പിക് മനസ്സിലാത്ത ആരെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ഹാൻഡ് റൈസ് ചെയ്ത് മിസ് ഒന്ന് കാണട്ടെ. I'll explain it again. Okay, I'll tell one more. Atoms participate. Yes, don't worry. Okay, മിസ് കണ്ടു. മിസ് ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. Atoms participate in a chemical reaction to attain stability. Stable ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് atoms എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഒരു റിയാക്ഷനിൽ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay? Now, if we take a look on the periodic table, we have 18 groups. 18 vertical groups ആയിട്ട് elementsനെ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസിഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിലെ 18th ഗ്രൂപ്പിനെ നമ്മൾ noble gases എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്. Okay? 18th group is called the noble gas. ഈ നോബൽ ഗ്യാസിന് ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത ഉണ്ട്. They are not reactive. അവർ ഒരു റിയാക്ഷനും അങ്ങനെ കാര്യമായിട്ട് പോകില്ല. Why no? Why? Because they are already stable. Okay, എന്തുകൊണ്ട് അവർ സ്റ്റേബിൾ ആയെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Okay, അവരുടെ വാലൻസ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is 8. Okay, അപ്പൊ 8 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർക്ക് സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി കിട്ടി. Okay, 8 വാലൻസ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അവരുടെ റിയാക്ഷനും പോകുന്നില്ല. ബാക്കിയുള്ള എലമെന്റ്സ് എന്താ ചെയ്യാന്നറിയോ? എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും റിയാക്ഷനിൽ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വാലൻസ് ഷെല്ലിലെ 8 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ ആക്കാൻ നോക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെ വാലൻസ് ഷെല്ലിൽ 8 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അവർ എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നറിയോ? ഒന്നല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർ ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ കളയും. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ സോഡിയം. ഓക്കെ, സോഡിയം ഇസ് an എക്സാമ്പിൾ. സോഡിയത്തിന്റെ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ എന്താ? ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 2 8 1. Okay, electronic configuration of sodium is 2 8 1. Now, sodium എന്ത് വേണം? Valence shell 8 electrons വേണം. Now, sodium has 2 options. എങ്ങനെ? Last shell ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? It has 1 electron in its outermost shell. രണ്ട് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. First option is either it can lose this electron. Okay, ഈ ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ ലൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ 2 8 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു കോൺഫിഗറേഷനിൽ അവർ എത്തും. Okay, you can lose 1 electron or else what? It can accept 7 more electrons. Okay, it can accept 7 more electrons and have a configuration of 2 8 8. അങ്ങനെ നോക്കിയാലും ലാസ്റ്റ് ഷെല്ലിലെ 8 electrons ആയി. ഇനി നോക്ക്, ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ കളയുന്നതാണോ 7 ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ വേറെ വാങ്ങുന്നതാണോ? വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഈസിയർ? It is to remove one electron. അല്ലേ? It is to remove that electron. So we can say that in order to attain stability, sodium will lose one of its electron. Okay, so the number of electron that is lost by sodium is 1. So we can say that the valency of sodium is 1. Clear ayo? Is it clear? Okay, Kevin, your question is not clear. Okay, yes, please comment it properly. Okay, on the proper comment your question മനസ്സിലായില്ല. Okay, yes, last slide was കാണിച്ചു. Don't worry. Okay, അതാണ് valency. So stability attain ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് the number of electrons gained, lost or shared by an atom of an element is called valency. So electronic configuration, എല്ലാം അറ്റോമിക് മാസ് ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞതാണ്. സോ ന്യൂ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ഷുഡ് ബൈ ദ ലിങ്ക് ഓഫ് ദി റെക്കോർഡഡ് ക്ലാസ്സസ് ആൻഡ് വാച്ച് ഇറ്റ്. അല്ലെ, പുതിയ കുട്ടികൾ ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ മിഡിലായിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന ഒന്നും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. സോ പ്ലീസ് വാച്ച് ദി റെക്കോർഡഡ് ക്ലാസ്സസ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദിസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡോണ്ട് വറി. യെസ്, ലെറ്റ്സ് മൂവ് ഓൺ. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ വിത്ത് വാലൻസി. വാലൻസി എന്താണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഈസ് വാലൻസി ക്ലിയർ ഫോർ യു ഗൈസ്? യെസ്. In order to attain stability, the number of electrons lost, gained or shared by an atom is called valency. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next topic. And the topic is how to calculate valency of different atoms. Okay. Now we have two cases. Okay, two cases. First case is if the valence electrons, that is number of electrons in the outermost shell, if it is 1 to 4, okay, 1 മുതൽ 4 വരെയാണ് the number of valence electron എങ്കിൽ the valency will be equal to what? The number of valence electrons. Okay, what is the first case? If it has 1 to 4 electrons in the outermost shell, valency will be equal to what? The number of valence electrons. For it.
-1 ആണ് ആവാറ്. +1 ആണ്.
What is it? Ma'am, so it will be -1 no.
Sodium +1 charge അല്ലേ കിട്ടുന്നത്.
Sodium will get ഒരു electron പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it will get a positive charge. Don't worry. നമ്മൾ പറയും അതെന്തോ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് പറയും. Okay, don't worry. Yes. Yes, for example, miss പറയാ sodium. The electronic configuration of sodium is what? 281. Okay, 281. Last shell, in the valence shell, how many electrons are there? There is only 1 electron. Okay, there is only 1 electron. So what will be the valency of sodium? Sodium valency will be equal to the number of valence electrons, that is 1. Okay, so valence shell, if it contains 1 to 4 electrons, valency will be equal to the valence electrons. Anganayanengil the next question, I'll give you the next question. Magnesium. Okay, magnesium, the electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. It is 282. What will be the valency of magnesium? What will be the valency of magnesium?
Everyone is going ahead with it.
2. No wrong answers. എല്ലാവരും correct answer ആണല്ലോ പറയുന്നത്. Yes. How many electrons can you find in the outermost shell? 2. Okay. 1 to 4 electrons ആണെങ്കിൽ valency will be equal to number of valence electrons. So very good. Valency of magnesium will be 2. Okay, 2. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആരെങ്കിലും വിളിച്ചാലോ മാം?
Yes.
Yeah, whom should we call?
Let's call Shraddha.
Shraddha.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi Shraddha.
Hi ma'am.
Yes. So Shraddha kutti parayu, what is the valency of aluminium?
3.
3. How did you get it?
Because the valency is equal to valence of electrons.
Valence electrons. How many valence electrons does aluminium atom have? Aluminium atom has
3.
got 3 valence electrons. So the valency will be equal to the number of valence electrons. So the answer is 3. Very good. Okay. Yes, very good, very good. Now let's move on to our second condition. So what if this atom has got more than 4 electrons in its valence shell? Okay. Yes. So if the atom contains 5 to 8 electrons in the outermost shell, in order to calculate the valency, how will you find it? 8 minus the number of valence electrons. Okay. Ini or atominte valence shell, if it has 5 to 8 electrons, 5 to 8 electrons undengil, in order to calculate the valency, you can use this formula 8 minus the number of valence electrons. Okay, I'll give you an example. My example is of oxygen. Okay, electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. Okay, 2,6. Now, what is the valence electrons in case of oxygen? Oxygen has got 6 valence electrons. That means 5 to 8 electrons category lana aaru varunathu? Oxygen varunathu. So how will you find the valency? 8 minus the number of valence electrons, that is 6. So 8 minus 6, you will get 2. It is 2. Clear ayo? Is it clear? Okay? Yes. Anganeyannengil, ma'am, can you unmute someone? Or valency calculate cheyan difficulty ulla aarengil onnu hand raise cheyo. Ee concept onnum kuda clear aayilla, manasilayilla ennu aarengil undo? Yes. So, yes ma'am. Oral unmute cheyo. Adil valency calculate cheyan buddhimuttundo? Chumma. Okay. Appo adil para. Chlorine. Okay, chlorine electronic configuration is it is 2,8,7. Okay. Adil clear aayile? Adil poyo? Where is Adil? Adil, it is 2,8,7. Clear ayo? Okay. Now, ipo last valence shell il etra electrons undu in case of chlorine? 7. No doubt, right? So valence electrons in chlorine is 7. So appo nammal engane valency kandupidikkan nammal endu idha madi idha paranjathu? In order to find the valency, you can use this formula if it contains 5 to 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So how will you find it? Tell me. 8
minus 7.
8 minus 7. What is 8 minus 7?
1.
So valency of chlorine atom, it is 1. Clear ayo? Is it clear now? Perfect. Yes, I think we have one more hand raise.
It is
Srinidhi. Hi Srinidhi.
Hi ma'am.
Yes, Srinidhi ke doubt undu.
ഇപ്പൊ കാണിച്ച ക്വസ്റ്റിനെ 287 ക്ലോറിന്റെ
Yes.
അതില 2ന്റെ അപ്പൊ 2 എന്താ ചെയ്യാ?
ആ 2 ഒന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട.
287
electronic configuration is 2,8,7. അതായത് chlorine എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ chlorine has a total of 17 electrons. Okay, 17 electrons ഉണ്ട്. Now ആദ്യം എന്തെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ ഷെല്ലിൽ മാക്സിമം അക്കോമഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് 2 electrons ആണ്. Okay, first shell can only accommodate 2 electrons. അപ്പോൾ ആ 2 അവിടെ fill ചെയ്തു. Now it will move on to the second shell. The maximum capacity of the second shell is 8. Okay, it is 8. Appa aa 8 electrons second shell occupy cheyidu. Appo noku, now 8 plus 2 total 10 electrons already occupy cheyidu, and we already said that chlorine has 17 electrons. Appo balance oru 7 electrons avade undu alle. Aa 7 electrons third shell il poyi accommodate cheyum. Third shell il maximum according to that formula it can accommodate what 18 electrons എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത്. പക്ഷെ മാക്സിമം നമ്മൾ 8 electrons നമ്മൾ accommodate ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. അത് നമ്മൾ പറയാം എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് യു വിൽ സ്റ്റഡി ഇൻ ഹയർ ക്ലാസ്സസ്. ബാലൻസ് ഉള്ള 7 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് പോയിട്ട് തേർഡ് ഷെല്ലില് അക്കോമഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, അതാണ് 2, 8, 7. നമ്മൾ ബോർബറി റൂൾ ഒക്കെ പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? ബോർബറി റൂൾ. യെസ്, ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ ഷെല്ല് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടേ സെക്കൻഡ് ഷെല്ലിലേക്ക് പോകുള്ളൂ, സെക്കൻഡ് ഷെല്ല് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടേ തേർഡ് ഷെല്ലിലേക്ക് പോകുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ ആയില്ലേ? യെസ്, അങ്ങനെ 8 - 7 ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1 കിട്ടും. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ വാലൻസി കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Now in the calculation of valency there is an exceptional case. Okay, one exceptional case ഉണ്ട്, that is helium. Okay, why is helium an exceptional case? നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു helium is a noble gas. Okay, അതായത് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് 18 പീരിയോഡിക് ടേബിളിലെ ഏറ്റവും ലാസ്റ്റത്തെ ഗ്രൂപ്പായ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് 18 വരുന്നതാണ് ഹീലിയം. Now അവിടെ ഹീലിയം ഉണ്ട്, നിയോൺ ഉണ്ട്, ആർഗൺ, സെനോൺ, റേഡോൺ, they are all noble gases except helium. ഹീലിയം ഒഴിച്ച് ബാക്കി എല്ലാവർക്കും they have got 8 electrons in their valence shell. Okay, ഹീലിയത്തിന് ആകെ 2 ഇലക്ട്രോണേ ഉള്ളൂ. It only has 2 electrons and these 2 electrons are filled in the first shell because the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the first shell is 2, right? Yes, so the electronic configuration of helium will be 2. It is 2 and that 2 electrons is filled in the what? In the first shell. Now since നമ്മൾ ഹീലിയം ഒക്കെ നോബിൾ ഗ്യാസസ് ആണ്, അവർ റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്യില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, അതുകൊണ്ട് the valency of helium, okay, valency of helium is 0. You can say that valency of helium will be what? 0 because they are all noble gases. ഇലക്ട്രോൺ വേണോ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു, ഇലക്ട്രോൺ കുറച്ച് ഇലക്ട്രോൺ എടുത്ത് വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ, കുറച്ച് നേരമായില്ലേ, കുറച്ചൊരു റിയാക്ഷനിലൊക്കെ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്നു പറഞ്ഞാലും what they will say no thanks. Okay, so noble gases എന്താണ്, you can say that all noble gases have 0 valency. അവരുടെ valency എന്താണ്? It is 0. ഇലക്ട്രോൺ എടുത്തോ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലും അവർക്ക് അത് വേണ്ട. Okay, so helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, they are all what? They are all noble gases and their valency is 0. Now except helium, neon, argon, krypton, their valency can be found using our formula, but helium is an exceptional case. Okay, ee formula വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല, but always remember the valency of helium will be 0. Rest ബാക്കിയുള്ളവരുടെ valency 0 ആണ്, but it can be found using our formula. Okay, clear ആയോ? Yes, so noble gases, they are not reactive because they are already stable. They already have 8 electrons in the valence shell. അപ്പോൾ അവർ റിയാക്ഷന് പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ പോകില്ല. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും റിയാക്ഷൻ ഒക്കെ നടത്തി ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ഒക്കെ ലൂസ് ആക്കി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് they'll try to be like our noble gas. Okay, yes, if it is clear, it's time to unmute you guys. Yes, ആരും നമ്മൾ unmute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ valency difficult ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ, you can raise your hand. ആദ്യം already hand raise ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Nihal is confused with electronic
configuration. Yes, Nihal.
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
Nihal.
Hello.
Yes, നമ്മുടെ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് കോൺഫിഗറേഷന്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഒക്കെ കേട്ടിരുന്നോ?
First time I'm seeing your videos.
Oh, so Nihal is a new student.
Yeah.
അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ നോക്കിയപ്പോ നിഹാൽ ഹാൻഡ് റൈസ് ചെയ്തില്ലല്ലോ. ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണോ ജോയിൻ
I didn't know that.
Okay, that's okay, Nihal. So Nihal സ്കൂളിൽ എവിടം വരെ എടുത്തു?
We have just ended in the Rutherford.
Okay, Rutherford model just end ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ. Alright, so what Nihal, what you should do is just ask the 90+ class teacher for the link of the previous year class. previous classes. Okay, അപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ ഒക്കെ റെക്കോർഡഡ് ലിങ്ക്സ് കിട്ടും. ആ ലിങ്ക് വാങ്ങിച്ചിട്ട് നിഹാൽ എന്തായാലും വീഡിയോസ് കാണണം. Okay? Okay, yes. So നമ്മൾ after Rutherford model you will study about Bohr model. Okay, അപ്പൊ Bohr model കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ Bohr model ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒരു ബോർബറി റൂൾ ഒക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഫിൽ ചെയ്യും in different shells. Okay, yes, അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, yes, മിസ് പറഞ്ഞ ഓരോ ഷെല്ലിനും ഓരോ പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. ആ ലിമിറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഷെല്ലിന് അത്രയും വേറെ ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ അക്കോമഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ന്യൂക്ലിയസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഫസ്റ്റ് ഷെല്ലാണ് നമ്മൾ കെ ഷെൽ എന്ന് പറയാം. Okay, in the K shell it can only accommodate 2 electrons. Okay, എന്നിട്ട് അവർ 2 electrons അവിടെ fill ചെയ്യും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് they will move on to the next shell. Okay, so the detail item is last class ൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. So you have to go and see that class. Okay, ഉറപ്പല്ലേ നിഹാൽ? You will watch it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Okay, yes. Now, we have a hand raised, ma'am. It's Trisha, I guess.
Yes.
Is it Trisha? Okay. Trishna, hi.
Trishna camera particular.
I cannot see you, Trisha. Trishna, yes. Trishna para.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. So Trishna.
Ma'am, ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം മാമിന്റെ ക്ലാസ് കാണുന്നത്.
ആണോ? Oh, so many new students. Trishna hand raise ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? ഞാൻ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ വെച്ചപ്പോ ഇല്ല.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Perfect. So എവിടുന്നാ വരുന്നത് Trishna? പെരുമ്പാവൂർ. സ്കൂൾ. Yes. സ്കൂളിൽ എവിടം വരെ എത്തി ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ?
സ്കൂളിൽ ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ
തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്നറിയോ? ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് 90+ലെ ക്ലാസ് ടീച്ചറോട് യു ഷുഡ് ആസ്ക് ഫോർ ദ പ്രീവിയസ് ലിങ്ക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, പ്രീവിയസ് ക്ലാസ് ലിങ്ക്. അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളിപ്പോ നിഹാൽ ആണെങ്കിലും ഇറ്റ് വാസ് നിഹാൽ, റൈറ്റ്? നിഹാൽ ആയാലും തൃഷ്ണ ആണെങ്കിലും ചിലപ്പോ ഒന്നും ലൈക് നിങ്ങൾ മിഡിൽ സ്കൂളിൽ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, പിന്നെ ക്ലാസ് ഇടേ വന്ന് കയറിയതല്ലേ, അപ്പൊ ചിലപ്പോ നമുക്ക് എന്താ പറയണേന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടാവില്ല. ബട്ട് ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് അല്ലേ. You guys have an excuse, so don't worry. Just previous classes ന്റെ links ഒന്ന് വാങ്ങിച്ച് അതൊന്ന് കണ്ടു നോക്കണം. Okay, ഇപ്പൊ മിസ് പറയുന്ന ഒന്നും ചിലപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല, because that's totally okay, because ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. So that's perfectly fine. Okay, but just listen to the class. Let's enjoy. Okay, all right.
Okay,
yes, perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So ഇത് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹമുള്ള ആൾക്കാരൊന്ന് ഹാൻഡ് റൈസ് ചെയ്തേ. We are going to calculate the valency of some elements. So if you want to answer, you can raise your hand. Alshni alladu, Alshni hand raise cheyidunno. Third box, second one. That's Alshni, right? Yes. So Alshni, you're not audible. Alshni audible allo. Just unplug that headset. Yes. Hi. Still you are not audible. What happened? Okay, so ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. I'll try to read your lips. What is the answer? What is the valency of oxygen? No. തെറ്റി പോയി. That's okay. Think again. Let's unmute the next one, ma'am.
Next one is
Badra. Yes, Badra. So here you have given the electronic configuration of oxygen. Now I want you to tell me the valency of oxygen. 2. Very good. Why? Because in the valence shell it has 6 electrons. So if valence electron is 6, you have to use the formula 8 minus valence electrons. So 8 minus 6, you will get 2. Very good. Okay, Ashniya ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ആഷ്നിയെ ഒന്ന് കൂടെ അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ആഷ്നിയ, raise your hand. കിട്ടി. ഇപ്പോഴും ഇല്ല, ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല. Okay, so Ashniya, you have chlorine. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. What is the valency of chlorine? Valency. Very good. It is 1. Here also you have to use the formula 8 minus the number of valence electrons, so your answer will be 1. Very good. Now the next question. Argon. Who wants to answer? We have a lot of hand raises, ma'am.
Yes. Let's call
Sanjay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Sanjay. So tell me, what is the valency of argon? What will you do if you have 5 to 8 electrons in the outermost shell? You will use a formula, right? എന്തായിരിക്കും valency? Valence electrons എത്രയാ in case of argon? Others, you can comment it in the comment box. Yes. Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the valence? Very good. It is 0. The number of valence electron is 8. Okay. So you will use the formula 8 minus number of valence electron, which is also 8. So it is 0. So argon is a noble gas. Okay. Its valency is 0. Very good. Okay. Yes. Now the next one.
Let's go Anamika.
Anamika.
Anamika, can you present?
Yes. Anamika, can you unmute?
No, ma'am, she's not audible.
Okay, Anamika is also not audible. Have you connected your
Please
headset?
unplug your headset.
Please unplug your headset and talk, okay? Yes!
Okay, come.
Yes. Ipo kekkato. So, aluminium 283 aanu. What is the valency of aluminium?
-0.
Eh?
3.
3. Adu thanne. Very good. 1 to 4 electrons aanengil valency will be equal to what? The number of valence electrons. Very good, very good. Yes, you can mute, okay? Now, we are jumping into ions. Okay, we have already studied about ions in our 3rd chapter. So remember, ions no chenda, they are charged species. Okay, charged species ne ions ennu parayunnu. Okay? Yes. Now, etra type charges ningalku ariyam? Let me see in the comment box. How many type of charges you know? Positive and negative. Alle, positive charge undu, negative charge undu. Okay,
So
very
the 3 charges are there.
And the 3rd one, that will be chargeless, 0, right? Okay, so now I'll tell you a story, guys. Okay, so there were 2 friends. Okay, 2 friends in there, sodium and chlorine. Okay, so one day chlorine atom came crying to sodium. Okay, karanju ingane sodium atominte aduthu varana, and sodium was like, sodium manasilayilla, why are you crying? So chlorine was like, sodium, I am just 1 electron short of the noble gas electronic configuration. Why? Because the electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. And chlorine is like, if I had 1 more electron, okay, 1 more electron, I will be just like noble gases. Noble gases are all the powerful ones in the periodic table, because they are stable, avarku reaction onnum bonda. Okay, so adangane alochitte chlorine is crying. Appo sodium endu idunariyo? Sodium was like, look, I have 1 electron extra. It is 281. Sodium electronic configuration is 281. Now, if I give you my electron, I will also be like what noble gas? Look, 280. If the sodium lose 1 electron, the electronic configuration will be 2,8, right? Yes. And the electronic configuration of chlorine was 287. And if it accept that electron, നമ്മുടെ chlorine ആരാവും? 288. They also will be like noble gas configuration. Okay? So sodium sodium will give its electron to chlorine. Okay? Sodium എന്താ ചെയ്തേ? Sodium എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? Sodium electron he gave it to chlorine. So look, sodium ഭയങ്കര പോസിറ്റീവ് കാര്യല്ലേ ചെയ്തത്? Sodium is a really positive person, right? ഫ്രണ്ടിന് വിഷമം വന്നപ്പോ ഫ്രണ്ടിനോട് വിഷമിക്കണ്ട, you can take my electron so that we both become like noble gas. So it's a positive thing that sodium did. Now both of them are happy. Okay, both of them are happy. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് മനസ്സിലായി? If an atom loses an electron, or if it donates its electron, it will get a positive charge. Sir, can I use the pen? Yes. It will get a positive charge. Okay? Now, What chlorine did was chlorine accepted that electron. So if an atom, if it accepts one electron, it will get a negative charge. Clear ayo? Last slide is it aluminium slide? I'll show you, don't worry. Okay. Yes. So, we have two friends in the story of sodium and chlorine. One day, chlorine came crying to sodium and she said that, look, I am one electron short of noble gas electronic configuration. I just want to become like our noble gas. But sodium, don't worry, I have an extra electron. Okay, if I give that electron, I will also be like noble gas. I will also have 8 electrons in my valence shell. Sodium gave its electron to chlorine. So, if an electron is given or if an electron is donated, it will get a positive charge. And if an electron is accepted, electron add it will get a negative charge. Okay, so you have two types of ions. We have positive ions and negative ions. Now these ions have got a name. Okay, these ions have got a name. Positively charged ions are called cations. Okay, positively charged ions in cation and negatively charged ions are called anions. Okay, positively charged cation and negatively charged ions are called anion. Now, how will you remember it? Yes, so guys, this is me. This is me and this is my cat. This is my pet cat and this is me 2 years back, I guess. Okay, 2 years back. Okay, so my pet's cat's name is Punji. Okay, her name is Punji. Now, how many of you have pets in your home? I mean, pet cats in your home? Aarkoke pet cats in there? No one. Oh, yes. 1 hand raise, 2 hand raise, 3. Very good, very good. So, when you're with your pet cat, you feel a positive vibe, right? Positive vibe, LA. So that is how you will remember. Okay, cation. Okay, cation is positive. You know, this cat has got paw, right? Cats in the paws and LA. So cation is positive. That is how you will remember. Okay. So which is the positive ion? It is the cation. Okay, cation is positive. Clear out? Yes.
Article has a duck. Is
What?
your cat still alive, ma'am?
No, my cat is no more. Okay, she's no more. Okay, yes, Niranjana is like, ma'am, I have a cat, dog, and a fish. Wow.
Good job.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, yes. So, ma'am, let's unmute someone.
Yes, let's call. Angi Pinky Ponky. Let's call Hush.
Hush. Hi, Hush. Yes, Hush. Hi.
Hush.
Can you please unmute?
Your voice is not audible, Hush.
Okay, you're not audible, Hush. Okay, let's call someone.
Shall we go ahead with the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Sam. We have
Yes.
Sam.
Yes, Sam. Hi. Hi, Sam is also not audible. What happened?
Who's on? Sam,
Hi.
can you please unpeg your headset?
Hello?
Yes, now you're audible. So, Sam, I have a question. My question is, if an atom, if it loses an electron, okay, if it loses an electron, what charge will it get?
Negative?
Negative? I'll just think about the sodium and chlorine story and answer the question.
Positive?
Positive? Only two options. Negative or positive. Just remember the
Positive.
story. Okay. Sodium Sodium did a good thing. Chlorine was really sad. So chlorine happy sodium just gave its electron. Okay. So for sodium in the perspective it lost an electron, but sodium did a positive thing, right? Yes. So if an atom
Yes.
loses an electron, it will get a positive charge. Okay. So everyone fix that in your mind. You can mute. Okay. Yes. Fix that in your mind. If an atom loses electron, it will get a positive charge. Okay. If it donates an electron, it will get a positive charge. Okay. Is it clear? And if an atom accepts electron, it will get a negative charge. That is how positive and negative charges are formed. Now, tell me the name of the positive ion. What is it called? Positively charged ions are called?
Do you want to tell me something?
Okay, yes, let's have it.
Alphonse.
Yes, Alphonse. Hi. Okay, Alphonse, your audio is not clear. Okay.
Alphonse, സംസാരിക്കാമോ?
Okay. Maybe some technical issues. That's okay. Positively charged anode. Anode അല്ല. യൂട്യൂബിലൂടെ ആനോഡ് എന്നൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. So positively charged electrode ആയിരിക്കും പറയുന്നുണ്ടാവുന്നത് ആനോഡ്. Okay. Yes, positively charged ions are called cations. Okay, how will you remember? Cation is positive. Okay, that is how you will remember. Okay, fix that in your mind. Now, let's move on to our next section. So, we are almost at the end of the chapter. Okay, now we are going to learn how to represent an atom of an element. Or element in the atom represent. Okay, yes. So, in order to represent the element, we need two things. Okay, two things. We need to know what is an atomic number and what's a mass number. Okay, so this is an element. Okay, element X. Okay, that's an element X. And you can see, towards the down, there is Z written. Okay, that Z is nothing but our atomic number. Okay, atomic number. And at the top, you can see A written. That A is mass number. That is mass number. Okay, so generalized parayanengil, if you want to represent the atom of an element, you need three things. First thing is you need to know the symbol of that element. Okay, a atom in the symbol ariyanam. Sodium, it is Na. Hydrogen, it is H. Ma'am, can you please check that comment box? Yes. Sodium, it is Na. Hydrogen.
Serious question.
Serious question. What is that? What's the question?
Are you married, ma'am?
Yes, I am married. Who is that?
Hannah.
Hannah. Yes, Hannah, I am married. Okay. Yes. So you need to know the symbol of that element. Okay. Then you need to know the atomic number and the mass number. Okay. Yes. So representation, we'll come back to it. First, let's study about atomic number. Okay. We already പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു that where can you find the protons? That is, inside an atom, where is our proton found? Everyone in the comment box. Harsh, you can comment. Okay. Inside the nucleus. Very good. It is found inside the nucleus. Okay. So this atomic number is nothing but the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Or atomത്തിന്റെ nucleusനുള്ളിൽ എത്ര protons ഉണ്ടോ, that number, that gives you what? Atomic number. So what is atomic number? It is the number of protons present in the atom. Is it clear? Adana atomic number, and it is denoted by the letter Z. Okay. Okay. Niranjana always get confused by the nucleus in chemistry and biology. Okay, yes.
Then what's your age again? They're asking for it.
You're asking my age. എന്നെ കണ്ട എത്ര വയസ്സ് തോന്നിക്കും? Comment it.
30.
57. Okay.
I'm better than him.
Okay, നമുക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്നും okay, majority 70 70 76 പിന്നെ
1.
I'm 26 guys. Okay, I'm 26. Okay, so അതൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു. Get back to atomic number. So what is atomic number? It is the number of protons present in the nucleus. Niranjana, soap. Ma'am, you look 10. Okay, all right. Now it is denoted by the letter Z. Clear ayo? Now atomic number can be also described in terms of electrons. Okay, electrons, but electrons ine vechi parayanengil you should mention that it is the number of electrons present in a neutral atom. Okay, electron adhu padikkanilla, this is just paranjadana. Okay, so if you are saying atomic number in terms of electrons, you should mention that the atom should be what? Neutral. Okay, yes, we have a hand raise. Please comment your doubt in the comment box. Okay, all right. So what is atomic number? It is the number of protons present inside the nucleus. Okay, yes. So I'm telling you that hydrogen. Okay,
Marks are here. 98.5 out of 80.
80. Very good, Vishnu Priya. That's a huge mark. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. So I'm telling that hydrogen contains 1 proton. Okay, hydrogen has got 1 proton in its nucleus. So what will be its atomic number? Its atomic number will be 1. Clear ayo? And very good, very good. Now I'm telling about carbon. Carbon has got 6 protons inside its nucleus. Okay, carbon has got 6 protons. 20 on 25 for chemistry. Very good. Very good, Malavika. Very good. So it will have, what will be its atomic number? Atomic number will be 6. Okay, Aaron, are you listening? Yes. So now the next one is helium. Helium has a total of 2 electrons, 2 protons inside its nucleus. So what will be its atomic number? Atomic number will be 2. Okay, yes. So in your table, it is a huge list is given from hydrogen to what? Hydrogen to I think it is till argon. Okay, you have to study that. Pinne, we have already learned the first 20 elements using a code. Marannu poya code okay. That should be by heart for you guys. Okay, Gauri Krishnan 25 on 25. Wow, perfect. Yes, very good. So our atomic number is done. It is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Now, let's move on to mass number. Okay, mass number. The 3 subatomic particles that we have to study. Okay, 3 subatomic particles that we have to study is proton, neutron and electron. Yes. So the electrons, okay, electrons in a mass, it is very small. Okay, electrons in a mass we'll neglect. So an atom in the mass is provided by whom? The protons and neutrons present in it. Okay, so the mass of an atom is given by the mass of protons and mass of neutrons. We already know that. Now how will you calculate the mass number of an atom? Okay, it is just the sum of protons and neutrons inside the atom. So what is mass number? Mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons. Clear ayo? How will you find mass number? Just add the number of protons and neutrons together. You will get the mass number of that atom. Okay? Is it clear? Now, if it is clear, I have a question for you guys. Okay, look, we have three friends. Okay, we have an electron, we have a proton, and we have a neutron. Now, we studied the structure and we know that electrons are found outside the nucleus. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. But what about proton and neutron? Proton and neutron are friends. They are always together. They are found inside the nucleus together. Okay? Yes, proton and neutron are found inside the nucleus, whereas electron is outside. Yes. So the protons and neutrons together are called nucleons. Why? Because they are found inside the nucleus. Okay? Yes, the protons and neutrons together, they are called as what? The nucleons. Now, how will you get the mass number? In order to get the mass number of an atom, just add the number of protons and number of neutrons present in it. Okay? Proton plus electron alla, proton plus neutron aanu endu. Number of proton plus number of neutrons aanu mass number. Okay? Yes. So, now how will you find the number of neutrons in an atom? Okay, one atomile number of neutrons engane kaanam. Just subtract what? Mass number and atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number, you will get what? The number of neutrons. Okay? We studied three things. First one was atomic number. What is atomic number? It is the number of protons present in the nucleus. Okay? Number of protons. Now, how will you get mass number? How will you get mass number? Just add the number of protons and number of neutrons present in it. Okay? Now, how will you get the number of neutrons? Just subtract mass number and atomic number. Now, we'll do a problem, and through the problem, it will be clear. Okay? Now, my first question to you is, I'm telling carbon. Okay, carbon atom contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Okay, carbon atom contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Now, I want you to find the atomic number. Okay, that is Z, right? Find the atomic number and mass number of carbon. Find the atomic number and mass number of carbon. First one was atomic number, right? Yes. How will you find atomic number? It is the number of protons present. How many protons are present? It is 6. So atomic number of carbon will be what? 6. Clear? Yes. Now how will you find the atomic number? How will you find, sir, can you please check that comment? Yeah. Now, how will you find the atomic number? Just add what? Just add the number of protons and number of neutrons together. We have, yeah, yes. So from the YouTube, we have a comment on how to join 90 plus. So please give a call to the number which is given in the banner. Okay, 8089 001114. Okay, please give a call to this number and welcome and join our 90 plus family. Be a part of 90 plus family. Okay. Yes. Now, just add the number of protons and number of neutrons together. That is 6 plus 6. So, we get mass number of carbon as 12. Thrillu. Okay, Thrillu. I'll do one more. Yes. Let's do one more question. Okay, which question should I give? Yes, neon. Okay, the atom is neon. Okay, now I'm telling you, neon has got, sorry, not 10. Neon has got 10 protons. Okay, neon has got 10 protons and 10 neutrons. Neon has 10 protons and 10 neutrons. Now I want you to give me the atomic number and mass number of neon. Atomic number and mass number of neon in the comment box, everyone. Atomic number, very good. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons, that is 10. Okay, now how will you get the mass number? Just add the number of protons and number of neutrons, that is 10 plus 10, that is 20. That's all. Okay, that's all. Now we are so thorough with atomic number and mass number. Now, sorry, how will you represent an atom? Okay, how will you represent an atom? First, you have to write the symbol in the middle. Okay, write the symbol of the atom, and on the top, you should specify the mass number, and at the bottom, you should specify the atomic number. Okay, for example, let's take the first element of the periodic table, that is H. Yes, what's that name, ma'am? Sheba is like, yes, 10 and 20. Correct answer. Very good, very good. Yes, Jeba, the answer is correct. Okay, yes. Now, hydrogen. Hydrogen is represented by H. Can I use the pen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
It is H11. Okay, it is represented as H11. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Okay, and it has got one proton, that is here, and mass number. Okay, mass number is of hydrogen is also what? 1. This is how you represent hydrogen. Okay, now the next one is carbon. How to represent carbon? The symbol for carbon is, everyone in the comment box, what is the symbol of carbon? Very good. It is C. Okay, it is C. Now, carbon has got 6 protons. The atomic number is 6, and 12 means mass number. Okay, mass number of carbon is 12. This is how you represent carbon atom. Okay, clear, Ayo? Now, my question is, if an atom is given like this, okay, carbon is given 6, 12. Okay, 6, 12. It is okay. 6, 12. Now, my question to you is, calculate the number of neutrons. Calculate the number of neutrons. So, carbon is represented like this. You have an atomic number, you have a mass number. My question to you is, calculate the number of neutrons in carbon atom. How will you find it? Formula. What was the formula? Mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number, that is 12 minus 6, that is 6. So it contains 6 neutrons. Clear, Ayo? Yes, it is correct, Niranjana, and others also. Very good, very good. So 6 neutrons it has got. Okay, so the one written on the top will be mass number, and one at the bottom, that will be your atomic number. Clear? Yes, let's move on. Now here, this is the representation of nitrogen atom. Okay, this is the representation of nitrogen atom. Now, let me ask you a question. Ma'am, can we unmute someone?
Yes.
Yes.
We have a hand question.
Yes, let's unmute him.
Adil.
What is it?
Adil.
Adil. Adil. Hi. Hi, Adil.
Not audible.
Okay, Adil, you're not audible. Okay, you can comment. Okay, the next one.
Adil, come and answer. And we have Vishnupriya.
Vishnupriya. Hi, Vishnupriya. Ma'am, yeah. Yes, Vishnupriya. You're also not audible, okay?
I will call.
Yeah. Drishya? Okay.
Ma'am, continue class.
Yeah, sure. So, everyone, you can comment. Okay. Now, my question to you is calculate the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Okay. This is how you represent nitrogen. N740. Okay. Now, this is our atomic number and this is our mass number. This is our mass number. Now, I want you to calculate the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in nitrogen atom. First one is pretty simple, right? The number of protons. You are given the atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus, right? Yes, that is your atomic number. So, the number of protons will be 7. It is 7. So, that's okay. Now, the number of electrons will be same as the number of protons if the atom is neutral. നോക്ക് ഇവിടെ n എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ലേ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. n minus എന്നോ n plus എന്നോ അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചാർജ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ? No. So no charge is given. That means this atom is neutral. Okay. So if this atom is neutral, the number of protons will be equal to the number of electrons. Number of protons will be equal to number of electrons. So if it has 7 protons, it will have how many electrons? 7 electrons. Okay? Yes. Now, how will you find the number of neutrons? Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Malavika.
Malavika.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Malavika. Protons gitti, electrons gitti. How will you find the number of neutrons?
14 minus 7. 7.
Very good. 14 minus 7, that is 7. It has got 7 electrons. So, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ നമ്മുടെ representation കഴിഞ്ഞു. Okay, we studied how to find the number of protons, electrons and neutrons. Don't worry, we will do more questions. Okay, ഇനി മിസ് ഒരു question ചോദിക്കട്ടെ. Cl minus. Okay, I have given you an ion. Cl minus ion. Okay, now my question to you is, how many electrons, valence electrons will be there in Cl minus ion? Okay, that is my question to you. നമുക്കറിയാം chlorine. Chlorine electronic configuration നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ അറിയാം. It is 2, 8, 7. Okay, it is 2, 8, 7. But I am asking you about the valence electrons of Cl minus ion. Valence electrons. അതായത് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഷെല്ലിലെ വാലൻസ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺ എത്രയാണ്? Any idea? Okay, Cl minus എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ what does that mean? It means that it has accepted one electron. ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഒരു മൈനസ് ചാർജ്. Okay, it has a minus charge because it has accepted an electron. So, ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ കൂടി ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു നമ്മുടെ ക്ലോറിൻ. അപ്പൊ Cl minus എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ its electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 8. Clear ആയോ? 2, 8, 8. Why 8? Because Cl minus means it has accepted an electron. Okay, my next question. What about Na plus? It has got a positive charge. That means it has donated one electron or it has lost one electron. നമുക്കറിയാം sodium. The electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. Okay, it is 2, 8, 1. And Na plus means it has lost one electron. ഒരു ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ ലൂസ് ചെയ്തു. അതെങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാം? From the outermost shell. Okay. Yes, so it will have a configuration of 2, 8. Okay. Yes, I will repeat Cl minus again. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of Mg2 plus ion? Mg2 plus ion means, who is that man?
Sriya.
Shreya.
Shreya.
Shreya. Hi, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, if an yes, hi. If an electron, if it loses an electron, it will get a positive charge. Okay. Okay. So, Miss ഇവിടെ Mg2+ എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്തായിരിക്കും ഇതിന്റെ മീനിങ്?
Which means it donated 2
Very good. It donated 2 electron or it lost its 2 electrons. That's the meaning. Very good. So
Now,
A.
You know what?
What?
It's her birthday.
It's your birthday, really?
Yes.
Shreya, it's your birthday today?
It was my birthday yesterday.
It was so belated birthday wishes.
Yes, happy birthday.
Belated wishes,
Thank you,
Shreya. Yes. So everyone, you can wish
Thank you.
Shreya in the comment box. Okay. Yes. Belated birthday wishes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So that means magnesium has donated 2 electrons or it has lost 2 electrons. What is the configuration of magnesium? Magnesium is 2, 8, 2. So Mg2+ means it has lost the 2 electrons, so its configuration will be 2, 8. Okay. So aluminium can form aluminium 3+ ion. Okay, Al3+. 3+ means 3+ means it has lost 3 electrons. Okay, now back to Cl-. Okay, Cl-. We know that chlorine has an electronic configuration of 2, 8, 7. But I asked you to write the electronic configuration of Cl- ion. Okay, how will it get a negative charge? It gets negative charge by accepting an electron. One electron accept ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഒരു minus charge കിട്ടിയത്. If it accepts 2 electrons, it will be 2-. Okay, 2-, and it can go on. Okay, yes. So chlorine, we are talking about chlorine. Chlorine accepts 1 electron. Chlorine has a tendency to accept an electron, so it got a negative charge. So chlorine electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 8, not 7, because last the shell one electron would add. So the number of electrons in the valence shell will be 8. So it is 2, 8, 8 for Cl- ion. So what is the number of valence electrons in Cl- ion? It is 8. Okay. Yes, that's it. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is isotopes. Okay, what is an isotope? So in order to study about isotope, I have 2 carbon atoms here. Okay, can you find any difference? Do you find any difference? The number written at the bottom, it is same, but the number on the top is different, right? Yes. So the number written at the bottom is called the atomic number. Okay, it is called the atomic number, and the one written at the top is the mass number. Okay. So isotopes are atoms. Okay, atoms of same element. Okay, both of them are carbon. Okay, both of them are carbon. So we can say that they are the atoms of same element having same atomic number. Okay, atomic number is same, but the mass number is different. Okay, such pairs, or not just pairs, they can have more than 2 isotopes. Okay, yes, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Isotopes. Okay, isotope. So what is it? Isotopes are atoms of same element. Element will be same. They have same atomic number, but their mass number will be different. Clear, ayo? Such pairs are called isotopes. So how will you write the definition? Isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Their mass number is different. Okay, this is the definition. Since they are atoms of same element, so their chemical properties will be same, but physical properties will be different. Okay, simple. What are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of same element, ഒരേ element തന്നെയാണ്, they have different mass number. Okay,
അതെങ്ങനെയാ വേറെ ആയത്?
അതെങ്ങനെയാ വേറെ ആയതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ the number of neutrons present is different. Okay, അതിലെ ന്യൂട്രോൺസിന്റെ എണ്ണം is different for isotopes. That is why they are having different mass numbers. Okay, clear ആയല്ലോ? Why do they have different mass number? Because they have different what? Different number of neutrons. Okay, don't worry, next class we'll do more problems occur, we'll see. Just now, for now, just like study the definition. Okay, yes, so since they are atoms of same element, their chemical properties will be same. Random carbon thaneyana alle, just go back to this. Both of them, they are carbon itself, so their chemical property will be same, but physical properties will be different. They are called isotopes. Okay, yes. Now next one example. Okay, there is hydrogen here, hydrogen. Okay, their atomic number is same, so they are atoms of same element. Hydrogen എന്ന് പറയുന്ന elementന്റെ atoms ആണ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. But look at their atomic masses. Look at their, not atomic mass, mass number. The mass number is different. For the first one, it is 1. For the second hydrogen, it is 2. For the third one, it is 3. Okay, so they are atoms of same element having same atomic number but different what? Different mass numbers. Okay, so we can call these are all what? They are isotopes of hydrogen. Now they have a name. Okay, H11, it is called protium, which is a normal hydrogen. Okay, not naturally occurring normal hydrogen, that is protium. And H12 is called deuterium, and it is represented by capital D. Okay, capital D is represented here. And H13 is tritium. Okay, it is called tritium, which is denoted by capital T. Now the atomic number is same, that means the number of protons present in them is same. Okay, number of protons is same, but the mass number is different. That means the number of neutrons present in isotopes are different. Okay, for the first one, that is protium, calculate the number of neutrons. How many neutrons will be there for protium? How will you find the number of neutrons? Mass number minus atomic number. 1 minus 1, that is 0. That is 0. So the first case, number of neutron is 0. Hydrogen is the only element, the only atom which do not contain any neutron. Okay, now what about deuterium? What about deuterium? The number of neutrons is 2 minus 1, that is 1. It has 1 neutron. Here it is 0 neutron. And the third one, okay, third one is tritium. Okay, third one is tritium, which has 3 minus 1, 2 neutrons. Okay, 2 neutrons. So for an isotope, their chemical properties will be same, but their physical properties are different, and also the number of neutrons present is different. Clear ayo? Is it clear for you guys? Yes. Now we have one more small topic. Okay, small topic, that is application of isotopes. Okay, application of isotopes. This isotope has got different application. The first one is uranium-235. Okay, uranium-235 is an isotope of uranium, and it is used as a fuel. Okay, it is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactors. It is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. So you can write it up. You can take a screenshot. Okay, just take a screenshot so that we cannot, we don't have to waste any time. Now, the next application is, you know what this is? Any idea what this is? Since you studied biology.
Everything is like cobalt.
It is cancer cells. Okay, now an isotope of cobalt, which is cobalt 60. Okay, so ഈ 60 നേരത്തെ 235 അത് നമുക്ക് പറയുന്നത് mass number ആണ്. Okay, mass number. So cobalt with a mass number of 60, it is used in the treatment of cancer. Okay, it is used in the treatment of cancer. Okay, treatment of cancer. Getting a screenshot. And then we have iodine 131. Okay, 131. It gives you the mass number. Okay, iodine with mass number 131. It is used in the treatment of goiter. Okay, treatment of goiter. You need the previous slide. Okay, yes. Cobalt 60, treatment of cancer. Then uranium 235, it is used as a fuel for nuclear reactors. Okay, fuel for nuclear reactors. Now, our last topic, it is isobars. Isotopes in other words, they are atoms of same element with same atomic mass and same atomic number and different mass number. Now we have isobars. Okay, this is the example. We have calcium and we have argon. Okay, what can you find? What can you find? The mass number is same, right? Mass, yeah, I'll show you the slide. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. The mass number is same, but atomic number is different. Okay, atomic number different എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ they are different elements. Okay, atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same mass number. Okay, so atoms having different atomic number but they have the same mass number, they are called isobars. Okay, yes, they are called isobars. Is it clear? Isotope means atomic number will be same and they are atoms of same element only, but mass is different. Why? Because the number of neutrons is different in them. What are isobars? They have different atomic number, but they have got what? They've got same mass number. Is it clear? Yes. So, this is the definition for isobars. Atoms of different elements with different atomic number, but they have what? Same mass number. That's it. And don't worry, in the next class, okay, in the next class, we will do a lot of problems from this area. So this topic will be thorough for you guys. Okay? Is it clear? So, if it is clear, then shall we do our chapter test? Simple question, guys. Easy peasy questions. Okay? Yes, just 10 questions each carrying 2 marks. Yes, very good. So, sir, is the exam active, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, guys, just quickly go through what we've learned. Newcomers, it is completely okay if you get low scores because you're all new joiners. But just attend the exam, okay? Just try to attend the exam and you should comment your marks. Okay, perfect. So guys, the exam is active. You can go and attend the exam. And meanwhile, it is time for us to say goodbye to the YouTube family. Thank you so much for joining and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.